So I'm excited to have these super cute shoes in my collection. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. So I am doing a Valentino unboxing, and this time I decided to pick two pairs that I do not have. So as you probably know, I do own the 4-inch, the 100mm heel in the rockstuds. Those are black. And I wanted to get a pair of the flats and a pair of the kitten heels so that I have the variation of all three of his most iconic shoes. And I wanted to see just how comfortable they were and if they were true to size. So let's get started with this unboxing. So they did send me a pretty big box because I ensure that both pairs are in here. I ordered these from Essence, and I did like ordering my Givenchy sandals from them last time, so I decided to get my Valentinos from here too. Oh gosh. Okay, so this is the first one. Sorry. And the next one. Let's get rid of this box. Alright, so I do have both the shoes out here. So let's start with the heel first. And in my 100mm inch heel, I did get a size 37. So in this one, in this shoe, they actually were sold out of the 37. So I went with a 37 and a half. So I'm curious to see if these will fit or not. Oh man, they're so pretty. Alright, so as you can see, I got the black and the poudre color in the kitten heel. And I did get, like I said, a 37 and a half. And these are such stunning shoes. They are so, so beautiful. Oh my goodness, they're so pretty. I'm so excited about these. I heard that they were so, so comfortable, and I do believe that because I do have the higher heel, like I keep saying, but they are comfortable as well. So I am pretty sure that these will be extremely comfortable to walk in. They're so, so pretty. And I'm excited to add these to my wardrobe because it is definitely a staple piece. Super excited about these, and I am 100% sure that they will fit. They look perfect for me. So let's open up the other one. So I did want a pair of flats, like I said. So I got these flats, but I did get these in my true to size 37 because I knew that a flat is a little bit different than an open heel shoe. Of course, if this fits me a little big, you won't really be able to tell, and it won't be too much of a disturbance with the comfort of the shoe. As for flats, that is totally the opposite. You should get your true to size. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. You should get your true to size in flats, and I got these in the black, in the smooth leather. So none of the ones I got are patent, which I did hear that patent is a little bit better to care for, but I did want these in leather, in a smooth leather. So that is what I got, and I got the studs in the black color as well, just because I didn't want to be too loud with these. I love them, and these are a 37. Let me see the other one. Oh, so pretty. Moving all this out of the way, and these as well came with extra studs and dust bags. But oh my gosh, like I was saying, these are 37, and like I was saying, I wanted to get all of the three styles that he is most known for, which are the rock studs in the higher heel, the kitten heel, and the flats. And I want to see how much I like them, and if I do, of course, I'll probably get more colors. I do want to get the flats in the poudre color, which is this right here. It looks like a very beautiful nude, so I'm super excited. excited. I might try these on just to show you what they look like, but I am wearing shorts. I wanted to unbox these as soon as I got them, so I'm not really dressed for showing these, but if I try it on. Okay. So yes, sorry, I can't show you right now, but they definitely do fit, and I'm certain that these fit as well. So I'm really happy with my purchase. I will, of course, update you on the comfort of these shoes and if they fit well when I'm walking in them, so that you guys can know and save your money if I don't like them and I let you know and you decide not to get them. So I will be happy to do that for you. So that pretty much concludes my unboxing for these Valentino shoes, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Let's not forget to be kind to one another, as I always say, and I will be leaving 2 more videos linked somewhere around the screen so that you can continue watching if you wish to do so, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much.